Dear students, if you are interested to apply for this season's NPTEL course and if you want to get NPTEL certification, then you came to the correct video where I will be discussing with all of you the latest NPTEL guidelines for this year 2023. So these guidelines plays a very important role for all of you in order to register the course, in order to register the exam and in order to get your smooth NPTEL certification. So my dear students, let us start this important guidelines video now so that you can learn each and everything properly, and these guidelines you need to follow during the entire process of NPTEL course as well as exam registrations. So let us discuss now point number 1. The first guideline, there are 4 weeks, 8 weeks, set 1 and set 2 courses. So this is the first point. NPTEL has divided the courses into two categories, set 1 and set 2. Okay, and in this set 1 we are having 4 weeks and 8 weeks courses. Similarly in set 2 we are having 4 weeks and 8 weeks courses, and there is a specialized courses that is 12 weeks courses also available, so which is having a duration of 3 months. Now all of you should know one important thing. Many of you don't know the difference between the set 1 and set 2 courses. Dear students, my dear NPTEL aspirants, the main difference lies between the start and end of the courses time. So the main difference lies between when the courses are going to start and when the courses are going to end. Set 1 courses they will begin 1 month earlier, whereas set 2 courses they will begin 1 month late. So this is the basic difference that you people should understand. Okay, what is the main difference between set 1 and set 2 courses? Set 1 courses they will begin 1 month earlier. Set 2 courses they will begin a month late, approximately a month late after set 1. And as usual there will be a 12 weeks course. So first of all you need to decide, depending on your availability of time, which courses you are going to follow, which courses is suited depending on your requirement. Okay. And the second thing, enrollment to courses is free. So my dear aspirants of NPTEL, you should know that NPTEL does not charge you a single rupee if you want to register for the course. Freely you can register for the NPTEL course. There is no fee if you want to learn some course in NPTEL. Point number 3. Guideline number 3. Enrollment to courses and exam registration can be done in online mode only. Okay, you can find the link here. Which means if you want to enroll, if you want to register for the NPTEL course and if you want to register for the exam, then you need to do this in online only. There is no way that you need to post any type of documents to NPTEL. Nothing will be there. No hard copy work in NPTEL. Everything should be done in online mode only. This is guideline number 3. Next point, one may enroll in as many courses as they like. So this is very important point. Sir, some students will have this doubt. Sir, how many courses can I register in NPTEL, sir? Is there any limit? The answer is there is no limit. You can enroll as many courses as possible depending on your availability of time. Again I am saying, depending on your availability of time, how much you can manage, based on that you register for the NPTEL courses. But there is no limit from NPTEL. Next point, NPTEL recommends the use of same email ID while enrolling in multiple courses. This is very important point, and most of you will miss this one. So always it is advisable that use the same email ID, because if you want to register the course in NPTEL, you need to have an email ID. So NPTEL says that use only one email ID no matter how many courses you are registering. Okay, so let us say if one candidate want to register 3 courses, then you need to use the same email ID which you have used for first course, which you have used for second, which you have used for third. It should be common. You can't use one email for every course, different email IDs. Otherwise it will be a problem to you. Okay. Next thing, candidates should use the same email ID throughout the course run for enrolling to course and for registering for the exam. So from registering of course to the exam registration, you need to have the same email ID with you. So let us say some students, what they will do, they will register the course, they will enroll the course with one email ID, and at the time of exam registration they want to use different email ID. Then at that time there will be a problem. You can't do like this. Okay, you need to use same email ID. Next point, Assignments submitted using any other email ID will not be taken into consideration towards final consolidated score and certification. This is as usual, as if you use different email IDs for different purposes in NPTEL, then NPTEL I will not consider even your assignments also, and your final score will not be calculated and you will not get any certification. This is clear point from NPTEL. So NPTEL is recommending all of you to use the same email ID for course registration, for exam registration, and even for a submission of assignments. Next thing, the responsibility of the email ID being valid till the course run is over lies with the candidates. So my dear students, so let us say you have registered for the course, even you have registered for the NPTEL exam. During the tenure, let us say you have forgot your password. There is some problem with your email ID, or your email ID has been blocked. Then NPTEL will not take that responsibility. So for this reason, you need to keep your email ID as well as your password very secure, so that you can complete your NPTEL course without any problem. And this is also very important guideline by NPTEL. One may write up to a maximum of 6 exams. So my dear students, we know that second point is here, enrollment to courses is free. Okay, and you can see the fourth point, one may enroll in as many courses as they like. But point number 9, here limit is there. One may write up to a maximum of 6 exams. No matter how many courses you can register, let us say one student has registered 10 NPTEL courses, but the student cannot able to write all the 10 exams for all the 10 subjects, for all the 10 courses. How many a student can write? A student can write only 6 exams. This is a clear restriction by NPTEL. You know what is the reason behind this? The logic is NPTEL conducts the exams only on 3 days every semester, every season, and in 3 days morning and afternoon sessions. Total 3 into 2 means 6 days, 6 exams. Only maximum you can write 6 exams. Okay, you can see here. Next point number 10, 2 exams on each day. So you can write maximum 2 exams on each day. How many days? 3 days. So 3 into 2, 6 exams you can write. Now this is the time. Exams can be written in either or both shifts, 9 am to 12 pm or 2 pm to 5 pm on all allotted exam dates. So on the allotted exam date, this is the time duration, 9 to 12 and 2 to 5. So forenoon session and afternoon session you can write the exam. Total how many days? Maximum 3 days, so which means 6 exams. And the last point is NPTEL will be publishing only e-certificates. So once you have passed the NPTEL exams with the valid score, then you will be getting the e-certificate only. You will not be getting any hard copy through the post. This is very important point. So through your registered email ID only, NPTEL will send the link from where you can download your e-certificate. So you can convert later this e-certificate into a hard copy. So my dear students, these are the 12 very important points. Before you are going to register for the NPTEL course, you need to understand these 12 points. Then you are on the right track to register for the